Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the GeForce Unable to retrieve the settings. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see right now we have the Nvidia GeForce Experience application. So we're going to open it and then we're going to go to the settings. And then from here we're going to go to games and apps. And now if you have anything that is in the scan location, then click on it and then click remove. As you can see I have multiple, so just remove all of them. And then from here you're going to go and then close it, open it again. Then from here, open it back again and then go to settings and then scan again and it will list everything right here. Now, if that doesn't work, click X and then go and search for run. And then from here, just search for temp, click OK, and then click on continue and delete all these folders right here. Just make sure to right click and go to delete. After that, you're going to go back once more to your GeForce Experience. And then finally, you're going to go ahead to the drivers and then make sure that it's updated to the latest version. As you can see right here, there's a newer version, so I can just simply click download or check for updates. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.